How to play Please Donate in Roblox in 2025. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Roblox website, and once open, make sure you were signed in. Now go ahead and tap on the search bar there and search for Please Donate. Select the game developed by Hassan and tap on play to join the game. And now to start receiving donation, you will need to set up a donation bot. So here is how Roblox require you to link a game or a shot to your bot for others to donate Roblox to you. So go ahead and firstly create a game pass. Open the Roblox website and go to create and select a game from your inventory. Then select create path under the game settings and upload an image. Name your pass and add a description. Set the game pass price under configure and then tap on the seal option. You see there your game pass or share, it will automatically appear as a donation option in your bot. Now use the chat features to politely ask for donation or explain why you are raising Robux. You can also tap on other players' bot and purchase their items to donate to this. How you can play Please Donate in Roblox mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.